Hello everyone and welcome to Market Ki Baatein. It's once again an interesting day in the markets and the way the market has moved is definitely a sign of positive action which we are seeing, and I'm welcoming as people are joining in. Hi Rohit, hi Ankit, hi Dhruvin. Welcome to this session, and today I have a very interesting question once again, and I hope all of you have seen the question. For those who have not seen, today's question is trading or investing possible even without using momentum indicators? For those who are joining, my name is Raja Venkatraman and I am the co-founder of NeoTrader, and also I am a trading influencer. I have been in the markets for more than 15 years, and the way I've gone about the markets, the way I've gone about my market understanding is what this whole Market Ki Baatein series is about. And the entire effort is to help all the people who are joining in at this time, to give them a concept of how they should be looking at the market, and also give them an understanding of how they can move forward in the aspect of trading, in the aspect of mindset, and in also the aspect of understanding the whole market structure. So that's what I am intending here to do here. And as I wait for all my people to join in, so yes, it is 3:30, and that's why I kept it at 4 o'clock so that people can join in. Yes, hi Ashu, hi Rupesh, welcome to the session. So my question to all those who are joining: is trading or investing possible even without momentum indicator? What is your take? So it's like a सवाल जवाब which I do, and आप लोगों का क्या कहना है कि ट्रेडिंग और इन्वेस्टिंग मोमेंटम इंडिकेटर्स के बिना आप कर सकते हैं? आपको क्या लगता है? Come on guys, let's have an interaction. Let's try and see what is your take on that before I give you my response. Hi Kapil, welcome to the session. Hi Aditya, welcome. So what do you guys feel? So Rupesh says yes, so that means you feel that it is possible to do trading or investing even without momentum indicators. Good. Yes, today's question is whether trading or investing is possible without using momentum indicators. Correct. So yes, you are using trend following approach. Ankit feels without indicator it is difficult. What about the others? Come on guys, you have spared your time to come down on to my live feed. So I would want you all also to interact with me so that we can have a good interaction. मकसद यही है कि हम इंटरेक्ट करें, तो आप भी कोशिश करना कि जो भी हो जाए, आप जस्ट लीव एन आंसर, लीव अ क्वेश्चन, लेट्स ट्राई एंड इंटरेक्ट. सो हाय जीत, हाय शुभ, हाय हर्षित. Yes, without indicator it is difficult. Some people say we don't need indicators at all. Some people feel that they don't understand the indicators. So let me give you my take on this matter. Technical analysis is about reading the price, reading the pattern and reading the momentum. So price action सब लोग जानते हैं. Pattern study जो है is the way the prices get represented over a period of time. The period can be intraday, it can be multi-day, it can be even more than that. What keeps the prices going on is the speed at which it travels. So if you are not able to understand the speed at which a price is traveling, it will be very difficult for you to get right on your participation. What is our objective? We are trend followers. Most of us are trend followers, right? Most of us are trend followers. So what are we trying to do? We are trying to understand the trend and participate. But जो trend following करते हैं, what do you mean by trend following? You are following the trend which is moving either up or it's moving down. So the speed at which the prices continue to move up, it keeps giving you the confidence that the price will generate some return for you. If the price continues to move down and at a decent pace, you will be able to execute your trade and you will be able to profit from it. However, if you are not able to measure the speed, then it will become very challenging for you. Yeah, so when you are taking a look at stocks like say BPCL or Naukri, so you want to know when there is speed in that stock and when the speed is getting exhausted. If a speed in a particular stock is getting exhausted, you should be familiar with it. And that's where using a momentum indicator is very helpful. What does momentum indicator do? Momentum indicator helps you to understand the speed at which the particular price of that security is traveling. And that's how it becomes very easy. Yes, super trend is right, moving average. These are all basically tracking the speed at which the prices are traveling. And every momentum indicator has got a different way to read. And that's what I show in my market wrap videos, market analysis videos. That's what I do. So those who have not yet seen my market analysis videos, you can go down and take a look at the YouTube channel Chart Advice Profits for You, where I have analyzed the markets. I come up with a weekly analysis for and give you the roadmap for the entire week. Then I do a daily analysis and give you an update on the market indices. So that's how I present my analysis. I use simple technical analysis concepts and I show you how you can read the market in a better way. Everyone has got their own way of reading the market. I focus on showing you how you can read it in a simple way. And if you see over the last few months, the way I have read the markets have come out in a very, very beautiful manner, and it has respected the levels which I have been mentioning, and the market continues to show some promise of moving to the upside. But let's see what are the prospects that lie ahead, and that's what I'll be covering in my video at the end of today, and I'll be sharing it in my YouTube channel, so you can stay tuned, stay connected and find out from there. So as we go again, for those who are joining in, the whole concept of participating in the market is about trend following or using a reversion. When you're talking about reversion, a momentum indicator will be useful. When you're talking about a trend following, the momentum indicator is useful. So what does a momentum indicator does? It tells you whether a trend is going to happen or not. And that's what makes the entire concept of this whole approach of oscillator studies very exciting. And that's why like Rupesh is mentioning, RSI, ADX, MACD, stochastics, these are the popular ones. But then there are more than 300 plus oscillators which are there. And if you just go and take a look at any software, they have got numerous types of indicators that are available. And all those indicators tell you how to read the momentum and how whether a momentum will continue. So yes, Mayur, you're asking about Bank Nifty. So what is happening in Bank Nifty? Bank Nifty is consolidating for a while and then it is jumping up. And then again it is consolidating for a while and then again it is jumping up. So it is having a start and stop approach. So what we need to see is how it is moving and what are the opportunities which are available as part of Bank Nifty, and how you can look at the whole concept of Bank Nifty and find out what are the prospects that lie ahead. And that's what I'll be covering as part of my other analysis. Today it's the 4 p.m. show, which is Market Ki Baatein. I come every day live here on the Insta channel, and I'm continuing to share my opinion, share my views. So if you're not part of my Instagram handle, do join in. Me and my team are working very hard to share various kinds of insights. So I would request all of you to go and share, follow me right now. I'll pause for say a 30 second. I would like you to go and follow me on my handle right now as I am speaking. So I'll wait for 30 seconds. I would like you to go and share, go and follow us on the handle, because I'm going to be sharing a lot of exciting things. There is going to be a lot of interesting posts, a lot of interesting videos, and I don't want you to miss it. The whole concept of market is how you can read it well. And that's why I want you all to join me, because I am on a mission to find out how I can enable people, how I can transform people, because after a point I can only grow up to a certain extent. If I need to grow further, I need to share my knowledge, I need to transfer my knowledge and engage in a value exchange. And that's what I have been doing. I have grown over the last more than 15 years only because I have realized that if I'm able to give something to people, I am able to get something back from them. And that is the exchange. Human beings can only evolve if they believe in exchanging some things. And that's why I continuously come out, either be it my YouTube video, either be it my Facebook live, or be it an Insta live, or be it a YouTube live. I always want to give value because I know that people are giving me something very valuable which normally they don't share, that is your time. So I hope all of you are took this brief time lapse which I gave you to go and follow us on the Instagram channel. I want you all to follow us on the Instagram channel. I want you to share this IGTV to whomever it's possible, because we are here to give you value and also show you that how you can evolve, because the market is about how you are able to understand. Some people are asking me about Bank Nifty, some people are asking me about BPCL, some people are asking me about some particular setup. So these are the kind of questions that keep coming up, and that's why I keep conducting lot of webinars. So if you are not being part of my webinars where I show you a lot of strategies, I am going to be having a webinar in the next 2 days, and you could also take a look at the bio. We'll be updating the bio with the link. You can register on that, and you can DM me and I will share with you the link. You can attend my webinar so that you get to know about how the market functions. You get to know about how to deploy the strategies, because strategies is on one side, indicators are on another side, but you are on the other side. So it's like a river which is flowing in between, and the river which is there is the market. There is continuous opportunities which are coming in. If you are able to ride the river or ride the sea with the opportunities, with the strategies, you will be able to encash the opportunity and move to the other side. What lies on the other side? Other side lies the profit. So you want the profit on one side, but what happens is you are not able to par the course. So that's why I had asked the question today, whether you need indicators for doing trading or investing. Some of the people answered yes, some of the people answered no, but yes, my take is that the whole concept of momentum indicators have to be understood in a very beautiful way. Find out how you can participate in the market in a structured way and how you'll be able to generate consistent return. So that's what was my take, and I'm sure that you got some insights on why a momentum indicator is necessary. I'll be signing off now. I'll be coming again tomorrow. Hi Neeraj, hi Lalu, welcome to this session, but we are come to an end of today's session. Tomorrow we'll be having another interesting question, so I want you all to stay connected. So many of you are not knowing what question I am asking, and you're joining in, so that's very nice of you. But if you follow me on my handle Chart Advice, you will be able to get the questions much in advance. You will also be able to think about it, you will be able to post about it, and I'll be able to pick up those questions, your response, understand what pains you are facing, what are your issues, and I will have it discussed. I will give my opinion on it, and that's how we can engage much better. All right. Thank you for being online, and thank you for sharing your time. I'll catch you around tomorrow, and we'll be again an interesting session on a different question with a different twist. See you around. Have a good day.